So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're creating your city skyline is you're going to want to start over on the left side of your paper. Then you want to make your first line going up, and you can stop that line wherever you want. So let's say I stop right there. That's how tall my first building will be. I can go across, I'll go back down, and there's my first building. Now, after this, we want all of our buildings to be connected. They want to all be touching. So if I want my building to go up, I'm going to just start at this point right here and go up. Or if I want it to go down, I already have my line here. I can just find a point that I want it to go down. So if I make it go down, maybe right here is a good spot. I'll just make a line going across. I'll go back down. So you can see that this building is shorter if I go down. If I want the next one to be taller, I'll just go up from this line. I can make it a really tall building. And you can see right now I'm about halfway through, which is good because we're going to need to have 6 buildings total when we're done. 6 buildings total. So what you can do is you can go through, add 3 more buildings. Some of them might be wider, some of them might be skinnier, some of them might be shorter. There's kind of a lot of different ways you can make your skyline. And that's what I've got after 6. And you can see my skyline goes up, over, down, over, up, and it's going all the way across my page. It's a really kind of ziggly line there. It's not going straight, it's going wiggly, zigzag, it's going everywhere. And that is your skyline. After you have your buildings done, you can go in and add your roofs, your windows, your doors, any details or pattern on the buildings themselves. And once you have that done, we're going to go in and add our color. Now we're using the rainbow colors, so the order we should have on our buildings would be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Those are the 6 colors we want to have. 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors make up the rainbow. Once you're finished with that step, we're going to be cutting out along your skyline. Remember, the skyline is just the top part where the buildings are connecting. And it goes down. I don't want to cut out each building by itself. I want this to be one big piece cut out. So when I have that cut out, what I can do is I can glue it onto a black piece of paper. And you can see again, there's my skyline right there. And I'm able to see my colors really nice, and it makes it look like it is a picture skyline at night. Now, what I can do at this point with my scraps that I had, I can use my scraps on the back of my paper and have a daytime skyline, so you can see kind of the shadows of what the skylines look like with all those buildings. And I have all this room here. I could add a sun, clouds, whatever else I'd like to make it look like a daytime picture. And then again on this side I could add some stars or a moon, anything else I want to the background to help just give it a little extra detail to finish it off. And that is your Rainbow City skyline.